Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick video. I'm going to be unboxing all of the components that I got for this new build. I know I said I wasn't going to do an unboxing video, but since I was going to take them out anyways, I decided to just film and make a video out of it. And also I'm just in the middle of building the computer, and it turns out that one of the RAM modules that I had wasn't working, so I had to get that replaced. Hopefully I'm gonna get that soon. I'm just gonna head to the store tomorrow and then get everything up and running after that. Also, I changed my desk. It's white now, and my computer is sitting on top of it, so I have to use my work laptop in clamshell mode, unfortunately. But since I replaced the desk, I had to also redo all of the wires, and that took a little bit longer than expected. It was a lot more work than I had anticipated, but this build is gonna be black and white, so I kind of wanted everything to match. But yeah, anyways, this is gonna be a quick video, and hopefully I'm gonna get the build video out soon. It's gonna be a pretty sweet system, and yeah, I'm just gonna go over the parts list and do a quick unboxing of every single component. So for my processor, I decided to go with the AMD 3900x. This was a little bit harder to get here in Canada since all the stores were sold out, but I was able to get it from Canada Computers and it arrived Friday. I also picked up the Asus X570 Pro. Since this motherboard is black and white, I decided to go for it, but I wanted something a little bit more mid-range instead of entry-level X570. I know I could have also went X470 or B450, but I decided I didn't want to really deal with the BIOS situation, and I also don't have older Ryzen CPU to flash it, and it was just going to be a hassle to take it to the store. To cool the CPU, I decided not to go with the H115i, and instead I got the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4, mostly because I got it for a good deal. It was a warehouse deal and it was only 111 Canadian, compared to the 170 of the H115i. But I also decided not to do RGB. I wanted a cleaner look to go with the heat. The card that I did get was the 2070 Super. It's just the EVGA Black Gaming Edition. Nothing too fancy with this one. For RAM, I just got the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16 gigabytes. It's 3200 speed, CL16. For the SSD, I decided to downgrade. I was originally planning on using the Gamix S11 Pro 1 terabyte, but I got the ADATA 8200 960 gigabytes. And for my power supply, I have the Corsair M750X. I know it's a little bit overkill for my system, but like I said in my previous video, the same price as the 650 watt, which I was gonna originally get in the first place. It's fully modular. And for the case, I got the Fractal Design Meshify C in white. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it was a lot of unboxings, but I know the next video is going to be more entertaining because it's going to be the actual build video, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be notified once that video is out. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my new RAM, and once that's installed, I'm going to install Windows and have everything up and running and do some benchmarks and see how it performs compared to this old computer, the 46700K, and hopefully we see that it was a worthwhile upgrade. But yeah, anyways, that's gonna be it for this one. I'm out. Peace.